25,000 rupees gaming PC? Sounds impossible? Watch this. CPU, Intel i5 4th Gen, just 2,500 rupees. Motherboard, H81, 1,500 rupees, basic but loyal. RAM, 8 gigabytes times 2, 4,000 rupees. Cheap, but your games won't cry. GPU, AMD RX 5808 gigabytes used for 12,000 rupees, or GTX 1650 13,000 rupees. These babies melt older AAA games at medium to high graphics. Storage, 240 gigabytes, SSD, 3,000 rupees. Loads games faster than your Wi-Fi at 3 a.m. PSU plus cabinet, 3,500 rupees. Keeps your PC alive and looking clean. And yes, this tiny 25,000 rupees monster runs older AAA games. Comment your budget and I'll build it for you next.